A fun fact about me is that I have narcolepsy, which is an extreme tendency to fall asleep whenever I'm in relaxing surroundings. My purpose today is to inform you about myself. By learning a little about me, you will understand my motivation for taking this course, which will help you provide feedback tailored to my needs. I will begin by discussing personal facts, then describe my experience with online college courses, and conclude with my thoughts about public speaking. With our roadmap in place, let's begin with facts about me. There are 3 personal facts I'd like you to know about me. First, my given name is Jose, and this is what I'd like to be called by. I was born in Seattle, Washington, and currently live in Tacoma, Washington. Second, my occupation is baseball. Third, when I have free time, I like to play Xbox, and due to COVID, this has really helped me connect with my friends. With my personal facts covered, let's move to online education. There are 3 things I want you to know about my experience with online courses. I've taken 6 college courses online. Second, I take classes online because of COVID. I would rather take classes in school because this is where I feel I learned best. Finally, my experience with online college courses have been not too bad. With the transition last year in spring quarter, it only took me a couple weeks to get adjusted, but after that, I felt like I was doing just fine. Now that you know about my experience with online education, let me explain how I feel about public speaking. I have 3 specific thoughts about public speaking. To begin, I've never thought public speaking has been that hard for me, but at times I have been nervous while doing so. In addition, I'm taking this course to be able to form speeches for my future jobs that I wish to do. I feel all people, no matter their orientation, should take a class like this to ensure their success when giving a speech. Finally, by the end of the course, I hope to be able to give speeches to anyone, not to the people I'm just comfortable with. In conclusion, my speech is a simple one, here to inform you about myself and why I'm taking this course. Let's review what you learned about me today. First, you learned 3 personal facts about me, such as I prefer to be called Jose, my occupation is currently baseball, and in my free time I like to play Xbox. Next, you learned 3 things about my experience with online education, to include I have taken 6 courses online. I'm taking this course to be able to give speeches to anyone, not just the people I'm comfortable with. My experience so far has been great. Finally, you learned 3 of my thoughts about public speaking, to include I like public speaking, but at times, like I said, I do get nervous, and I believe that being able to speak publicly will help for my future jobs. Overall, I'm happy I'm taking this course, and I believe it will turn out well.